Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got another advent calendar unboxing to share with you. It's from H&M and it's a 24 feel good treats advent calendar. Now last year I unboxed the jewellery advent calendar and it was okay. I wouldn't say it's the best, but it was okay. It had a lot of Christmas jewellery in it, which isn't really my thing. But I was able to pass it on. So this year then they came out with a spa edition advent calendar and I've just had a look on their website and they've got a makeup one. Shall I get it? Shan't I? I don't know. But the cost is £24.99 and if you're interested in this for yourself or the other one that they've got, then you will find a link down in my description. So you're welcome to take a look there. Okay, starting off with day number 1 over here. Please be easy to open. Oh no, look. It's going to be really difficult to get them out. Oh no! Unfortunately I had to open day number 22 because I just couldn't get to it. But we have got a bath fizzer or a bath bomb. It just says the Bath and Body calendar. I don't know what the scent is either. Has it got anything here? No information about it, so I'll find out when I go to the bath. But I can't smell anything in particular. But that's day number 1, a little bath fizzer there. Day number 2. How can I get these out? Look! What on earth? I'm gonna have to rip it like this. We've got, I don't know what we got. It doesn't tell me. It just looks like a soap. All right, let's see what's in it. So there's 3 bath foams. There's 3 soaps. I'm assuming this is a soap. There's 6 bath fizzers. There's 3 bath confettis. There's 2 nail files. There's 2 bath sponges, 2 body washes, 1 headband, and 2 bath salts. So this must be a soap. This must be a soap. I'm gonna open them from now on. It smells of apple. It is gorgeous. I wish they would tell me on the back or even on the actual packaging. Oh, that is lovely. That is lovely. Well, that's more exciting now that I know exactly what it is and what it smells like. So you got an apple soap there. Day number 3. I wonder if they've messed up. I wonder if with just maybe this particular calendar, they've messed it up and got it confused with the other calendar that they've done, because it's round and this thing is long in here and it just does not make sense at all. They must have made a mistake. I know this is a really bad unboxing, I'm sorry, but I've just had to rip day number 24 and day number 7 to get at day number 3. You'd assume that there's 2 items there, but no, it is just 1. So they've how weird. This has never happened before. Never happened before. If you've got the other advent calendar and you've opened it up by now, maybe you have, maybe you haven't, I don't know. But if you have opened it up, it's back to front, but it sort of fits in with my advent calendar, then please let me know. It's just crazy, isn't it? This is, it doesn't say, oh my gosh. So this is a body wash, but there's no information on it. What do you smell? Yeah, green is apple. Yeah, I do really like that. Day number 4. Yeah, that's more like it. Easier to get. And we've got bath confetti. Oh my gosh, look. That is so cute. That is so cute. Little trees. Ooh, these smell nice as well. It smells like cinnamon. It smells like Christmas. Yeah, that is really nice. They feel really nice and soft. So no doubt when they will melt in the bath, they'll be lovely. So yeah. Day number 5. A little bowl. We've got a gold sparkly bath bomb there. Ooh, this has got a scent. This is more like a perfume. Hopefully you'll get body washes so I can have a proper smell. That's like a perfume. Day number 6 down here. Now which one is it? Is it that one? Or is it that one? I'm going to go for this one. Oh, we've got some bath salts. I love the little bags that they come in. With a ribbon there. Day number 7, I've already opened this up. This is a weird one because it's the same as day number 24. So weird. Look, see, day number 24. Day number 7. It's definitely a mistake, isn't it? Definitely a mistake. I like these. A little puff, but this may be day 24. So who knows? We're counting it as day 7. Day number 8 at the top. I got a feeling day 8 and day 14 are shared. Yes. Yes, look. Look. Flipping Nora. I'm just baffled. This has never happened before. Never happened before. I hope that we do get 24 products. Anyway, we've got a gorgeous little sponge. I do really like that. That's cute. And a snowflake. Day number 9. Look at this. See, it comes into day number 6 as well. We've got a nail file. It doesn't even match the days. Day number 9 was a little circular one there. Clearly not a circular item. This is a nail file. This is one of 2 that is in the calendar. Day number 10, where are you? No, day number 4, where's 10? Oh, at the top, here. Ah, look, spot on, spot on. This is what you want to see in an advent calendar. You open a door, and there's your product or your item. And we've got an orange body wash. Oh, that's strange. So what's the difference? Maybe this is a bath foam then. Maybe it's not full. It's only like 3/4 full. But what's it smell of? I love orange. Oh, it's making me want to have a Fanta. Oh, I am thirsty. That is lovely. That is so nice. Yeah, there's no brand or anything. There's no brand except, oh, H&M. I have never tried any beauty products from H&M before. It's not even makeup. I don't know. So you've got body wash. Number 11 over here. And we've got 2 items. 2 items for day number 11. Oh my god. Okay, let's get them out. First up, I think this is like a bath foam sort of gel to put in the bath. I think so. Strawberry. Yeah. Oh my god, that's lovely. Yeah, really nice. You've got strawberry and apple so far. So there's that. And also, day number 11, we've got some bath confetti, and these are little stars. You just know they're going to melt really nice in the bath. Yeah, so you've got a bag of star confetti there. Day number 12 over here. Oh, we've got a little headband. This is cute. Pale pink with little white and pink ears. Nice and stretchy. So a little headband. You can't have a pamper session without a headband. And it's got the H&M logo on there. So yeah, so I like that. 13 down the bottom. And we've got a bath bomb. That was easy to get out. Apple. I can smell that straight away. Beautiful. I love apple scents. Day number 14 is gone, because it was with day number 8. Day number 15 down here. We got a bath bomb there, I think. Yeah. What one's this? Yeah, really nice smell. But I don't know what it is. Day number 16 up here. And we've got some confetti. Some bath confetti. Little hearts. I think they smell of strawberry. I don't know, they just smell so fruity. Oh, they're lovely. Day number 17. And what's this from? Peach, I think. It's nice. Yeah, I prefer the apple though. Okay, day number 18 here. And we've got 2 items. And there's nothing else here. Look, 13, that. 2 items. Oh my god. First up, we've got another file. And then we've got, oh, this looks really pretty. We've got, it must be like a bubble bath, and it's shimmery. You might not be able to see. Oh yeah, you might be. What's it smell of? No, that smells of tropical fruit. Oh, I'm so thirsty. I really want a drink of like fizzy pop. So 19 up the top here. A ball fell out. I think it's day number 21. I've just popped it back in. I think so. So day number 19, we've got a green apple body wash. Why aren't they full? Look. That's not good, is it? Can you see? It's only up to there. That's a little bit less than the other one. It's a shame because I love green apple. Smells lovely. Day number 20 here. Some bar salts. And I'm assuming these might be green apple. I can't smell them, but I'm not going to open them up because they will go everywhere. But we've got some bar salts there. 21. I think this is right. It did fall out. We've got another bath bomb. White. Silvery white one. Oh, that smells nice. That smells of a perfume. Can't tell you what it is. Perfumey. Ooh, I'm useless at describing scents. Day number 22. And we've got another bath bomb. This must be strawberry. I can't smell it, but going by the other products. Day number 23. Nothing else left. All gone. Day number 24 was the same as day number 11, I think. No, day number, oh, I don't know, it's ripped now. Yeah, was the puff. And we've got a strawberry soap. So let's count up everything I've got. There's exactly 24 items in this advent calendar. I am just completely and utterly confused. It's just a bit of a mess really, isn't it? I do not think it's worth £25, not when you compare it to, say for instance, Pretty Little Thing. They've got a £25 advent calendar and there's a couple of others around that price mark as well. Nah, I would say this is probably worth about £15. I don't know, I might be being a bit too harsh there. I don't know. Besides the fact that the actual advent calendar itself was all messed up. It was like double products in one day and yeah, it just did not work out at all. There was no system in place with this advent calendar. And you've got like the body wash, which is half full or like 2/3 full. Yeah, a lot of bath bombs. It would have been nice to have like a face mask and maybe a brush. We don't really need 2 nail files in an advent calendar. I think if it's about £15, I'd feel a little bit happier, but as it's like £25, no. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this advent calendar? And also, if you have already got one and you've already opened it, please let me know your experience. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.